today, the 11th of March 2021. We are proceeding now after some, how do I call it, some work which we had to do it to prepare the set in a more or less working order. And I would like to show you today that it starts receiving. The transmitter is not working, but it's only just testing the receiving facilities. And it is in fact a very interesting system, and in the next film I hope to show you how the set is at least working as a receiver. The open unit here, this one is not yet mounted, and that is the coding unit. But in this situation we first have to look for some preliminary constructions. One of the main aims by Hans is to prepare, make himself covers which are lacking here and here as to screening off from environment.